So in this video, I'm going to explain Venn diagram. But before we move to Venn diagram, before we move to all this diagram that you are seeing, this fine diagram, don't mind my diagram. We say that what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is the what? Representation of sets. You know what? In a diagram. Yes, we want to represent our set. Or what we have done earlier. We want to show it on this diagram. And how can we represent it? There are some cheats I have shown here, and I'm going to explain. When we say A intercepts B, remember I said it in my last video. I say it as a cheat. Now let me not say it as legal. Now we say, what is Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is a diagram that shows the set. Yes. Now this bracket, I say bracket, this rectangle, don't mind it if it looks like square, it's not a square. This rectangle is represents the universal set. And I've explained the universal set to us that in the last video I explained universal set. So this bracket, this rectangle is representing the universal set, which means this universal set now it contains set A, set B, and some elements that we can find in A and B. Yes. Okay. Then where we said A intercept B equals to this the shaded part. That means if A and B has anything in common, then what? They comes together. Now, in the beginning of the last video I dropped, I was explaining some students, and we said if any students offer literature and government, which means, remember, people that are offering literature might also be also offering government. And people that are offering commerce, which is commercial students, they will also be offering government. That means from here, I said if 10 students offer literature and 30 students offer government, that means there are some students that are offering government and they are offering what? Literature that we have counted. Now, how do we do that? Remember, I said total students is 20, right? Yes. I said people that are offering literature, they are 10. People that are offering government, they are 13. That means if I add this thing to this thing, I'm going to have 23. That means I have extra 3. That extra 3, where would they be? They are going to be in this place. Now, that means the rest of literature now will now be what? 10 minus this 3, and that's 7. Then the rest of the government will now be what? 20 minus 7 minus 3. And 20 minus 7 minus 3, that's minus 10. 20 minus 10, we are going to have 10. Although this might not correct, might not be correct, that's because enough information is not given about it. It's just an instance. We are going to solve an example after this video. Now the next one is what? A subset B. This simply means that A is a subset of B, which means all the elements of B is coming from A. This is an error. So it's supposed to be A subset B. Because I explained to us later in the previous video about this is subset elongated C. So they said subset B. So that means if they say subset B, that A is a subset of B, that means what? It was correct, I'm sorry. That means all the elements of B is coming from A. Yes. All the elements of A can be found in B. Yes. Yes. A is a subset of B. Now the next one is what? A union B. When we say A union B, what do we mean by A union B? It simply means that what? Remember, we have said earlier that was joining two or more sets. That's the meaning of union. Unite. That means all the elements in A and B. That's what we mean. But not the one that we cannot find in what? A and B. All these please, I'm not going to find anything there. Don't shade it, please. And the next one is what? We have three sets, A, B, and C. Now that means this A, B, and C for here, A intercepts B intercepts C. They have three sets there, and three of them have something in common. Now, where will that thing be? This point. Draw a circle, another circle, then another circle. You will see, here is what is common between here and here. Here, let's say A, B, then C. That means A and B have something in common, C and B have something in common, A and C have something in common here. Then A, this is A, B, this is B, then C, this is C. Now this is where the three of them meet, which is what? A intersects B intersects C. Now let's now move to some solving questions. Now, saying this question, you might be reasoning that, oh, this is hard. It might be so difficult. No, it is not. Now, the question is, in a class of 30 students, 5 students offers neither biology nor chemistry. That means not elements of biology. Let's say biology is B, and joining biology with chemistry. None of them is offering it. How many students? We have 5 students not offering that. The next one is in a class of 30 students. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's universal set. We'll not talk about it at all. That's 30 students. Yes, universal set equals 30 students. The 5 students offer either biology nor chemistry. This is it. 15 offer biology. That's number of biology, cardinality of biology. We say we have 15. 10 offers chemistry. Number of chemistry C is 10. Now, how many students offer both subjects? Now, if you check here, they said total students in the class is 30. Oh, that should be error. 20, they mean. It is 20, not 30. Number of students in the class is 20. 5 students do not do anything, they are always idle. 15 do work, and 10 do chemistry. That means you are going to check everybody in the class. That's 5 plus 15, that's 20. 20 plus 10, that's 30. But the total that I have is 20, not 30, please. It's 20. Now, I'm not counting more students than total students in the class. That's an error. That means you have to what? Do set. Yes. Which means there are some numbers. I have counted some students twice that maybe they are offering biology and they are offering chemistry. So when I was counting for biology, I counted them. When I was counting for chemistry, I also count them again. Do you get? So let's put it in the Venn diagram. Remember, universal sets is equals to 20 total students. So from here, we say we have sets. We say we should find how many students offer both subjects. That's how many students offer both biology and chemistry. That's cardinality of B intersect C. We have done this earlier. If you have not watched the previous video, you are missing. Go and watch that now. So we said both have something in common. So these are it look like. We have biology and we have chemistry. Now, both students that are offering both subjects, I don't know it. Let's call it X. So if here is X, that means this is a circle for biology. Remember, 5 students are idle. They are not doing anything. 5. Which means the rest of these people here will be add up to 20 minus 5. That's 15. That means only 15 students are doing biology and chemistry. Now, what would that be biology? For biology, they said we have 15 students. That means I have to remove these students that are doing chemistry and biology. That would be what? 15 minus X. And for here also, we said chemistry is 10. I have to remove people that are doing chemistry and biology from them. No, I don't want to see people that are doing biology. So what do I do? That's 10 minus X. Now remember, universal rule. What is universal rule? Adding everything in this bracket together, in this rectangle together, and it will give me what? 20. So what do I have from here? I think I can take this question away. Yes. So from what I have, I can say 15 minus x plus x plus 10 minus x plus 5 equals 20. So what I did, 15 minus x plus 10 minus x plus 5 equals 20. So from here, I'm going to add, let's add this x minus x, we go and buy biscuits. That means they have left. Because minus x plus x, that's x minus x, and that's 0. Let's add the whole number. 15, we have 15 plus 10 plus 5. 15 plus 10, that's 20. 20 plus 10, that's 30. So we have 30. This and this has left. Left with what? Minus x. Minus x equals to 20. Let's collect like terms. Now, collecting like terms here, you can avoid this minus and bring this x here. That will be 30 minus 20 equals to x. Or we should not avoid the minus, bring this 30 here. That will be minus x equals to 20 minus 30. So minus x will be going to be equals to minus 10. Minus can cancel minus on both sides. Then x equals to 10. Both are correct. Now, which one should I do? You say the first one. Okay, let's do the first one. That's we say bring this 20 in. That's 30 minus 20 equals to bring x here. X. And that's what? 10 equals to x. For everything being equal, 10 equals to x. X equals to 10. That means for here, instead of me writing x here, what do I put, please? I'm going to put 10. Instead of me putting x here, that's 15 minus 10. And that's what? That's 5. Then instead of me putting x here, 10 minus 10, that's what? Is 0. Which means No student is offering chemistry only. 10 students are offering biology and chemistry. What it means is that once you are offering chemistry, you will definitely be offering what? Biology. But if you are offering, there are some students that are offering biology, but they are not offering chemistry. So that means if you are not doing chemistry, you might not do biology. If you are not doing chemistry, you might not do biology. Yeah, yeah. So 5 students are doing biology and biology only. Yes, they are doing only biology. That means these 5 students, there could be, let's say, maybe commercial students, since they don't need chemistry. So they are only doing biology. Then we now have 10 students that are doing chemistry, that are doing biology and what? And chemistry. Which means these 10 students, there could be science students. Because inside as a science student, once you are doing chemistry, you definitely do biology. So you cannot do only biology without doing chemistry. You cannot do only chemistry without doing biology. That's what this thing is saying. In case they ask you to what? Explain the diagram. How do I explain it? Very, very simple. 5 students are offering only biology. No student is offering only chemistry, which means that any student that offer chemistry also offer biology, which is what? 10. Then 5 students are idle. They are doing none of the subjects, which means there could be art students. Art students don't need biology and they don't need chemistry. So they are doing nothing, which means these 5 students, there could be what? Commercial students doing biology, but not doing chemistry. These 10 students, they are definitely science students. Why? Because they are doing chemistry and they are doing biology. Nobody is doing only chemistry. Yes, that should be correct. No student should be offering only chemistry. Any student is offering chemistry should offer biology. Now that's let's